Two containers of 10 gallons and 8 gallons of capacity respectively are filled with X gallons of water each. If Y gallons of water were then transferred from one container to the other, so that both containers contain water to the same fraction of their capacities, what is the value of X in terms of Y? So they tell you that Y gallons are transferred, but they don't tell you from which container to which container, from the 10-gallon container to the 8-gallon container or vice versa. Just reason here a little bit. What's the purpose of this transfer? Here it says, so that both containers contain water to the same fraction of their capacities. So what we want is that both containers look proportionally having the same content of water, so that the amount of water relative to the total capacity should be practically the same. But as it is, you can see that the container to the left looks emptier than the container to the right. It is the 8-gallon container that looks fuller. So you could say that it looks fuller to a greater fraction of their capacity compared to the 10-gallon container. So it's clear that the AY gallons should be transferred in this direction, so that the 10 gallons container look a little bit fuller and the 8-gallon container look less full than original. What would be then the new fraction of water regarding to the capacity of each container? Well, after moving the Y gallons, here we have Y gallons more, and here we would have Y gallons fewer than the original amount. So now, the total amount of water in the first container would be X plus Y, divided by 10, that would be the fraction the water is regarding to full capacity. And in the second container, now the amount of water would be X minus Y divided by 8. That would be the fraction, right, of their capacities. We want the same fraction, so they must be equal to each other. Let's do here a simplification first and then a cross product. And you have 4x plus 4y equals 5x minus 5y. So from here, have this going this way and this going the other way. So you have 9y equals x. So our answer choice would be the number 5.